In today's world, the reality of microplastics infiltrating our salt is alarming. As we season our meals, we unknowingly incorporate minute fragments of plastic that pose significant risks to our health and environment. This invisible threat arises from our relentless consumption of single-use plastics, which ultimately breaks down into particles so small that they elude our detection, yet infiltrate our homes and bodies. Events in nature reveal the troubling connection between plastic pollution and the salt we consume, urging us to confront this pressing issue. Microplastics, measuring less than 5 mm, primarily originate from the degradation of larger plastic items, as well as from products designed to contain tiny plastic particles. The relentless wear and tear from water currents, sunlight, and time causes these plastics to fragment, creating a pervasive presence in our oceans. This contamination affects the very source of our salt. As seawater evaporates or is harvested to produce our beloved seasoning, microplastics become trapped within, transforming salt into an unsuspecting carrier of toxic particles. This bioaccumulation not only reveals the magnitude of environmental carelessness, but highlights our need for urgent action. Turning our gaze towards human health unveils a disturbing reality. While researchers are still uncovering the long-term effects of microplastics consumption, initial studies raise grave concerns. These microscopic villains can release harmful chemicals, disrupt hormonal systems, and provoke chronic inflammation. The possibility of internal accumulation, leading to organ damage and a host of health complications, gives us cause to rethink our relationship with everyday products. As we indulge in dishes seasoned with salt, we unwittingly invite these pollutants into our well-being. Beyond individual repercussions, the ramifications of microplastics seep into the very fabric of our ecosystems. Their presence wreaks havoc in marine environments, where countless marine animals consume microplastics, mistaking them for nutrition. As toxins accumulate within these creatures, food webs are affected, and biodiversity is lost. The persistent cycle of microplastics threatens the delicate balance of life in oceans, rivers, and lakes, ecosystems upon which we rely. Without immediate intervention and innovative approaches to plastic waste management, future generations will bear the weight of our negligence. So what can we do to combat this escalating crisis? Prevention starts with awareness and informed choices. Reducing our consumption of single-use plastics and advocating for cleaner alternatives can lead to a transformative shift in perceptions and practices. Supporting legislation aimed at reducing plastic waste and promoting sustainable sourcing of salt is essential for preserving both our health and nature. To protect our plates and the planet, we must unite against plastic pollution and reclaim our responsibility as guardians of Earth.